Hello students, if you have problem with your strategy like how to utilize this next 5 months, August, September, October, November, December in better way for your 2026 attempt. And if you are facing in prelims again and again, and if you are facing problem in answer writing, so we have one workshop for you on 18th August at 5 p.m. So this workshop will help you to target next 5 months in better way so that you will not face problem in your 2026 attempt. And it is like very good idea to utilize this month so that later on there will not be pressure on your mind before the exam. Plus we will have one quiz based on polity. It is going to be wonderful quiz. Like there is a game we have planned. तो एक गेम प्लान किया आप लोगों के साथ खेलने के लिए एंड वेयर विनर विल गेट अट्रैक्टिव प्राइजेस फ्रॉम आवर साइड. So save the date 18th August timing 5 p.m. and it is free of cost. This workshop is totally free of cost and it is going to be helpful for your UPSC preparation. Venue for this building is IS Setu 21 second floor Old Rajinder Nagar and you can scan the QR code for registration. Okay, it is free. Thank you students.